Chinese President Xi Jinping delivered a speech at the World Economic Forum virtual event of the ڈیووس agenda on Monday. He called for multilateralism to light up the way forward amid the COVID-19 pandemic and the world economic recession. We have spoken with Guy Ryder, Director General of the International Labour Organization, a Geneva-based UN agency, to get his reaction on President Xi's speech. He said Xi's remarks on multilateralism and international cooperation is key to meet global challenges.
In the first place, President Xi echoed what we've just talked about, that is the very strong performance of China, in a sense as a leader in this recovery process, and this is certainly very important. But President Xi also emphasized, firstly, the uncertainties, the fragility of the recovery process. I think we're all conscious. And secondly, we need the right policies, and I'm very pleased that the emphasis was on international cooperation, because we've seen around the world that countries have needed to invest a lot of resources to try and support people through the pandemic and indeed in protecting their health. And the fact of the matter is that the richer countries, more developed countries, have much more fiscal space, much more opportunity to invest in these areas, and the developing world doesn't have that fiscal space. And the obvious answer to that is that we need much more international cooperation so that everybody can apply the necessary policies. And so multilateralism, international cooperation in vaccine policy, but also in employment and financial policy, seems to me that it needs to be at the top of the policy agenda as we start this new year.